Welcome to Chesspertise video tutorial. In this chapter we are going to cover search position and chess editor.
One of the most important features of Chesspertise is to do search position of most game. You can select the database from this window. So for example, I'm interested in correspondence database. I click correspondence. If I'm interested in the over the board, I click this database. Remember to update once you select the database. Remember to update this the view. Once we are, as you can see, we got 10 million games here in the over the board database, and let's say we're interested in Ninja Indian. So we can set the main line of the Ninja Indian, E3, castle, E3, bishop D3 is usually the best move here, D5, E3, bishop C2, bishop C2, C5 is very popular, or DC4. DC4 is very popular, bishop C4, C5, 92. Queen C7, bishop E2, for example. Let's see, we want to study this position. We can also select the game from Grandmasters, for example, and Chesspertise now is giving you selecting only the games by Grandmaster. You can see the result action. This position is very good for white. Then when you want to study this a bit more, you can go on view games from this position.
And now let's look at the chess editor.
And you can start to study. To study a position, you can click on annotate, and you see if in this case I got already a file called Ninja. You can start to annotate your game. In the annotation, when you are annotating a game, you can write a prologue and an epilogue. Prologue is something that is important for you to remember, something you write before the game. For example, this game shows the main line of Ninja Indian, or shows how to play for white, the main line of Ninja Indian. And this comment will go in what is called from Chesspertise the book view. Okay, and of course we want some diagram. We move on to some flashcard as well. I'm going to explain later what a flashcard is. The nice part is every time you do one change, this change is reflected here. You can change the look of this chessboard by customize chessboard. Change the color. I like blue. This kind of color I like. And you can change the size. Maybe now it's a little bit smaller. 65%. Okay. And for example, let's imagine let's add another diagram here. From this line, we want to start to study a variation. For example, bishop d3 is very, very common. Let's c6, and we can write here. This is the main line of this variation. Ninja India. And we can see that the sub-variation is shown with a different color, different kind of chessboard. And so you can easily distinguish between what is for you the main line and what is for you the sub-variation. So from an instructive point of view, it's very important. And also, with Chesspertise, you can add what I called flashcard. A flashcard is any position that is important for you, and is saved in a flashcard, something for you to remember. For example, let's imagine we got these 3 positions for us that we want to remember before the game. We can write here. Of course, every comment that you write in the flashcard is saved here and in the comment side. So you should be able to review this part here. So you can see how powerful with Chesspertise you can do operations that in the past were very, very complicated to do and very time consuming.
Thank you for watching this Chesspertise video tutorial. See you next chapter.